Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to an Animal Jam video, which I've just recently started doing. I want you also, guys, to let me know if my microphone is working. I got a new one, and I need to know how it's working out. But anyways, to the video. Today, I'm going to be doing a social experiment in Gemma. Let's go on and head to Gemma Township. Let's see. Okay. This isn't... Okay, it's pretty full. I'm gonna go to... There are so many people on my list. I'm gonna go to this girl's den. Basically, we're gonna be asking her if she's the one who got scammed at a random person's party. I'm gonna come over here. Here, let me check this shop real quick, though, because I actually really want to see what's in here. Oh, they have a blackout donut collar. Oh, wow. They even have a feathered mask. I would really want one of those. Oh, my gosh, they have a top hat. Hey, were you the one who got scammed at Cookie's party? I'm just gonna go ahead and say that because that is actually from one of my favorite YouTubers in the whole entire world, Bros. Hey, were you the one? Okay, I'm just gonna say, hey, were you the one who got scammed at Cookie's party? Because I got the spike for you that you lost. Because I got, she said yeah. Because I got the spike for you that you lost. You were the one who got scammed, right? Oh my gosh, let's see if this girl here, Navillate. Oh my gosh, Thanos was at Rose's live stream yesterday. Wow. Cookie's party? Yes. Cookie. This. Experiment. Yay! Okay. Yay. She's like, anyways. The sass right there. I want to find a non-member, actually, because Wolfie Plays, she locked her den. I want to find a non-member because I want to try both and see if they're any different, because I know members, for some reason, have a lot of spikes. Over 15 diamonds. I don't have that much. We're going to go in this person's den. We're going to have, hold on. I need to have this typed in ready. You were the one with it. Party, right? I'm just getting a place to copy and paste it. Control C. Okay. Ah, this guy isn't coming to his den. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Hey. You were the one who was scammed at Cookie's party, right? This guy might be AFK. You were the one who was scammed at Cookie's party, right? Because I got your spike. Because I got your spike. That was you, right? Come on. You were the scammed jammer at Cookie's party. I got your spike back. I got your spike back. That was you, right? I think this is gonna be a scammer, not a jammer. You had the... Okay. Oh, she said yeah. This was a social experiment. This was a social experiment. Please remember, scammer, not jammer. Scammer. Or jammer, not scammer. Or she left. Alright. I'm going to Jamal. This is really funny. Okay. Harry Potter banner. Oh my gosh. Yes, Queen. I am... Okay, this is supposed to be a social experiment. But I gotta... Thank you. I gotta see this Harry Potter art. You know, that's me. My life is Harry Potter. Where's the Harry Potter art? My gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm taking the Hufflepuff one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can I trade her for this? That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Can I buy them? Oh my gosh. Yes, I can. But I'm gonna buy the separate ones. That'd be kind of... Maybe I should just take the Hufflepuff one. She did 2 Hufflepuffs. Okay. Those are way too much. I only have 5 gems. Alright, we're gonna do the social experiment in here. So I'm gonna be like, hey. Hey. Oh my gosh, look at this anime over here. You were... Because I got your spike back. That was you, right? This always makes me nervous because you never know if people are gonna lie or not. This was you, right? Come on, cookies can crumble. I'm just gonna trade her real quick to see if she's like on, so I'll know if she declines it. Alright. Oh gosh, what if she accepts it? I'm just gonna put one of my rare heart lockets on. Whatever. She probably won't accept it. I'm just trying to see if she's not AFK. Girl, are you AFK? Yeah, I think she's AFK because she's... Well, oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my god. Adorbs. But that's what we're gonna have for today. It's sad that that one girl scammed. You don't need to scam. Hold on. We're gonna do these 2 last people. Hey. Scammed at Cookie's party. I'm just gonna take it. Because I got your spike back. That was you, right? This was a social experiment. Thank you for being honest. Smiley face. Alright guys, well that is gonna be all for this video. No, I wasn't there. Yes, thank you for being honest. We know. We got that. Well, LilyPad1357, thank you for being a good jammer. Alright guys, this is gonna be it for the video. Please like and subscribe as we are very close to 1,000. That would be a dream come true. Make sure you hit the bell so you know when a new video is coming out. And, you know, I'll see you in the next one. And comment down below what kind of videos you want me to make next.